Hello students, myself Kiran Sharma. I am a teacher at Boys Higher Secondary School, Sundarbani. I teach chemistry to 10th class students. I am going to start with first unit of chemistry, that is chemical reactions and chemical equations. Till now we have studied about what are chemical reactions, chemical equations and how chemical equations are balanced. In today's lecture, I will discuss about types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions can be divided into 5 types. These are combination reactions, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. First is combination reactions. When two or more substances, these substances can be elements or compounds, they combine to form a single product. The reactions are known as combination reactions. Let us suppose there are two reactants, one is A and other is B. They both combine and form single product AB. Then we can say that combination reaction has taken place. Let us see some other examples of combination reactions. First is burning of coal. We know that coal consists of carbon and burning takes place in the presence of oxygen. If there is no oxygen, burning can never take place. In this reaction, carbon that is present in coal combines with oxygen and forms carbon dioxide that is released in the atmosphere. Here we can see that two reactants are combining and single product is formed. So it is a type of combination reaction. Other example of combination reaction is formation of water from hydrogen and oxygen. In this reaction, hydrogen molecule combines with oxygen molecule and water molecule is formed. Here also we can see that there are two reactants, hydrogen and oxygen, and they are forming single product, that is water. So it is also a type of combination reaction. Next type is decomposition reaction. It is a type of chemical reaction in which a single compound breaks down into two or more elements or compounds. In combination reaction, a compound is synthesized, two reactants combine and a compound is synthesized. In decomposition reaction, what happens? A compound breaks down into two elements or compounds. It is opposite of combination reaction. Let us suppose there is one compound AB. It breaks down into two elements or compounds A and B. Some examples of decomposition reactions are decomposition of ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate is FeSO4. When ferrous sulfate crystals are heated, they break down into ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Here we can see that one compound is breaking down into three simpler compounds. Next example of decomposition reaction is heating calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate is heated, it breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is released. Here also one compound is breaking down into two simpler compounds. One is calcium oxide, which is also known as quicklime, and carbon dioxide. So it is also an example of decomposition reaction. That's all for today, students. We will discuss other types in next video. Thank you. Thanks for joining.